All right, here's some questions where you need to arrange these polynomials in either ascending order or descending order. Typically, we like to do descending order, just because that's typically how we write them. Now, when they say descending order in degree, what they're looking for are the exponents. So like in this first one, there's an exponent, there's an exponent, there's an exponent. X doesn't have one, but we assume it to be a 1. And this one doesn't have any letters. So what I'm comparing are all of those numbers there. So say I was doing this question and they say arrange in descending order, I would pick the highest degree. So as I look through this, I think this one has the highest exponent. So that would be the first one that I would write. And the sign that goes in front of it, always you keep that with it. So it'd be negative x to the fourth. Next one would be positive 7x cubed. Next one, 2, so minus 6x squared. Then the 10x plus 10x. And lastly, the plus 5. Notice there's no sign in front of there, but we assume it to be positive, and so that's why we have plus 5. Let's try this one here. So descending, but this one they say descending powers of y. So I'm looking just at the y's. So there's this y would have a 1, this y is a squared, this y is a 3, and this one doesn't have any y's. So the one that has the most y's is this one. I'd write that one first. And then this one has 2 y's. I'd write that one second. This one just has 1 y, so I'll write that third. This one doesn't have any y's. I'll write that last. So I would write this as 3x squared y cubed, and then minus 3y squared, and then plus 5x to the fourth y, and lastly minus 5. So that's how you can write it in descending powers. If you wanted to do ascending, that's just backwards. So you would have written this one first, then this one, then this one, then that one. All right, hopefully that helps you with writing polynomials in descending order.